Let me ask you a question. What if you could earn $2 for watching a video and clicking a button? What if you could repeat the process indefinitely and earn anywhere from $10 to $200? The best part is that all you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started. In today's video, you'll learn how to make money online in minutes. Withdraw money instantly via PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, Paytm, Payoneer, and other services. It can be used from anywhere in the world with no investment because it is a fully free approach. And keep in mind that the more apps you use, the more money you'll earn. So, make sure to stick to the end to learn about all of these 5 websites and apps that can help you generate extra money. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The first website I'd like to show you how to get money online simply by watching videos is this right in front of your screens. You can get this software for free from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and it is available worldwide. Take a look at this. This website has been here since 2012. You can earn money by entering a contest, taking surveys, watching videos, or even getting cash back. However, in this video, we'll just focus on watching money-making videos because that's the quickest, easiest, and highest-paying job on this website. If you want to sign up, simply enter your email address below and click Sign Up Now. You can do this on your phone or computer. Now, if you pay careful attention, I'll log into my account and show you exactly how I'm doing it before you go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm still making money every day, and all I have to do is play the video in the background, so I just allow it to run on its own. I don't have to touch it, and I don't even have to watch the video. All I have to do is leave it running in the background to earn money passively. As you can see, I still have many points, so I'll show you how I can cash out money using these points. Now, for example, I'll select cash right here, and you'll see PayPal. Simply click on any amount you want, and also, please double check your email address with your PayPal account once you've made a withdrawal. So I'm just gonna buy the reward, click here, then confirm my password before clicking submit. Wait for a moment after the reward has been processed, and it will be delivered to your PayPal account, so withdrawing your money is a very simple procedure. Now, when you go to the offers section, click on offers, and you may notice a number of well-known companies. For example, a well-known company that allows you to watch videos while earning money. As you can see here, you can get $5 every time you reach 1,000 points. Okay, let me tell you a bonus method that you can use. If you have many computers or mobile devices, you can use them all to open multiple browser tabs and watch multiple videos at the same time. Now, I normally use Google Chrome and open 3 or 4 tabs, then leave the video running in the background while I do other things, because the video is still playing and I can continue to earn money passively, and you know how quickly the money adds up. The best part is that it's completely passive in the sense that I don't have to do any manual work, and you don't need any prior expertise to simply click play and watch a video. Now, if you stick with me until the end, I'll show you a few more websites and programs, and when all of this is combined, you can make double, triple, or quadruple more money even faster. But before we go on to the next app, the name of this app is called Feature Points. Now you can follow my suggested steps and make money online. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So, App Nana is the name of our second app. You can download it on your iOS or Android phone, and once there, you can do a variety of things such as play games, do surveys, and watch videos. Nana's Point is the point system that they're using here. Basically, you can turn those Nana points into real money. As you can see, you can earn Nana, which you can then convert and cash out through PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and a variety of other methods. You can also earn money by participating in the referral program. You can click on this link to be sent to a website where you can enter all of your information to sign up, and that's all there is to it. It's actually rather simple, and you can share the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or any other social media platform. Simply share this with your friends to generate one additional source of income while you watch the video to generate the second source of income. Let's move on to the third website, MyPoints, which I like because they offer a $10 welcome bonus. Who doesn't like the fact that when you sign up for free, you get a $10 welcome bonus right away without having to do anything? This is simply incredible, and all you have to do is enter your email address, password, and click the Join Now button. Again, there are a variety of ways to earn money on this app, one of which is by watching videos. Now let me show you app number 4, which is App Trailers. This app has been quite popular for many years now. They continually upgrade and release new versions, and if you're reading this right now, you should be pleased since they've just published a new update that allows you to view videos while earning money. This is fantastic because the older version would only give you a small amount of money. Right now, they're gonna pay you a lot more money with the newest version. Now, I recommend that you view at least 3 to 5 videos at the same time so you can make a lot more money in a shorter amount of time. Lastly, take a look at this rating and reviews, which is a fantastic grade considering that many apps only get 3 stars and this one gets more than that. There has been a lot of nice feedback from the users. Okay, so here's the final app, Creation Rewards, which offers a $5 sign-up bonus. Once again, by simply watching videos on these apps, you can earn free gift cards and cash. But one thing I'd like to bring out is that this app has been around since 2000, which is a long period, and they've been paying their users for 22 years. You can perform a variety of things including paid surveys, watch videos, visit websites, shop online, complete offers, and refer friends and family. Now, I spend most of my time watching videos and occasionally visiting websites. They're all fairly simple, even if you have no prior experience. Although, one word of caution, don't attempt to complete the survey on this website since they pay extremely little amount of money and you'll be wasting your time. I tried it myself, so just concentrate on watching videos, and if you enjoy it, I would recommend that you complete different offers related to visiting and browsing websites if you want to earn more money. There are a lot of various huge and well-known companies in one single app, so make sure to click that to receive your daily bonuses since they provide you with a bonus extra money every time or every morning you log in to your dashboard. So make sure that you log in every day to claim those bonuses because if you do this for 30 days in a row for 1 month, they will send you a lot more videos to watch, allowing you to earn even more bonus money. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.